By this shall all men know that you are my disciples, and ye have love one to another. Now before the feast of the Passover, when Jesus knew what that his hour was come, that he should depart out of this world unto the Father, leaving love with his own which were in the world. He loved them unto the end, and suffered in that the devil he now but into the heart of Jesus is grouped Simeon's son to betray him. Jesus, knowing that the Father had given all things into his hands, and that he was coming from God and went to God, he wished from supper and laid aside his garments and took a towel and gathered himself. After that, he poured water into a basin and began to wash the disciples' feet and to wipe them with the towel wherewith he was girded. Then connected he to Simon Peter, and Peter said unto him, Lord, dost wash me feet? Jesus answered and said unto him, What I do knowest not now, but thou shalt know. Harry Gardner said unto him, Thou shalt never wash my feet. Jesus answered him, If I wish thee not to hast no fast with me. Simon Peter said unto him, Lord, not my feet only, but also my hands and my hand. Jesus said to him, He that is born need not said to wash his feet, but is clean every way, and ye are clean, but not all. For he knew who should betray him. Therefore said he, Ye are not all clean. So after he had washed their feet and had taken his garment and was set down again, he said unto them, Now ye what I have done to you, ye call me Master and Lord, and ye say, Wherefore also I am. If then your Lord and Master have commanded you feet, you also ought to wash one another's feet. For I have given you all unexplained that you should do as I have done to you. Very, very, I say unto you here, that listen what whomsoever I send them, me, and he that sent me, and he that opened me, him that sent me. With Jesus had through sight, he was struck in spirit and testified and said, very verily I say unto you, that one of you shall betray me. Then the disciples looking one on another, doubting of you when he spake. Number three. Now there was learning on Jesus' bosom on of this his displaced womb Jesus loved bed. Number 24. Sing me Father 34 fornet to him that his soul asked who it should be upon his spake. His stem leaning on Jesus' bedside unto him, Lord, who is if Jesus answers to it is to whom I shall give a sup one when I have dipped if and when he had dipped the cup, he gave it to Judas Iscariot, the son of Simon. Simon. Number 27. And after the sub Satan entered into him, then said Jesus unto him the truest to quali no no man at the time doubly knew for what intent he spake this unto him. For so many of them tongues because Judas had begged that Jesus had said unto him by choice things that we have nets of against the faith that he should give something to the poor. He then having received the sub went immediately out, and it was night. Therefore when he was gone out, Jesus said, Not is the Son of Man glorified, and God glorified in him. 32. If God were glorified in him, God shall also glorify him in himself, and so shall thrive why glorify him. Little children, yet a little while I am with you, ye shall seek me, and as I said to the James, ano to? James, water e, go you cannot call me so, no I say to you. I knew commandment I came unto you that you love one another. I have loved you that you also love one another. By this shall all know now that you are disciplined if have love one to another and another. Simon Peter said on him, Lord. Waiter goes to Jesus. Him, Matter, I go to, canst not follow me now, but to Sally. The follow me onwards. Peter said unto him, Lord, why cannot I follow thee? Now I will lay down my life for the sake Jesus. Jesus, and answer him, will you lay down the life for myself? Very, I say unto thee, the cook unto cook shall not row till thou hast dined me thrice.